you share my screen. So once you share my screen, so if you really want to know where my class notes of daily recording class notes, so go to my GitHub. Okay, my GitHub name is, so say Python. You're able to get my entire notes, dictionary, Python basics, everything you're able to get it from here. Okay, so let's start the. So we are going to talk about the last data structure part, which is nothing but the dictionaries. So create a new notebook here. So in this, what you are supposed to do is we already cover the few things, which is nothing but, okay. So come here, we already cover the intro to dictionaries, intro, intro, intro to dict, creating dict, okay. So accessing dict, modifying dictionary elements, okay. Now we are going to see dictionary dict, dict methods, okay. So let's start here. So we are supposed to go with the dictor. Axing is done, modifying is done, okay. So we'll start from the modifying, okay. I don't want to confuse you. We'll start from the modifying of the dict. So first come here, okay. First I want to say students equal to sum. So what I'm going to tell is I'm going to say students. I'm going to use this first of all. So come here, stud and your students equal to du stu pe and ps, students, and t student equal to, open the flower bracket. So name in name colon, and then name is Madhu. So next one, comma, age equal age. So age also you need to come here, colon, okay, and then not 35. Next one, comma, grade equal to grade, grade. So it should be double quotes here. It should be double quotes here, and then colon. So grade is B grade. Okay. Now print print student. Okay. Come down. Come down. Fine. So now we are going to talk about the how to modify the dictionary elements. So in this, I have declared, now I am going to start the modifying the DICT. Dict is nothing but dictionary, LE, MEN, ELEMENTS, elements. So now DICT dict are mutable. So you can add, update, or delete elements. So print student. It is going to execute P and student, print to student. So come here, it print. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to update student student age equal to 33, update value per age, okay. Okay, value for age. So come down. Very good. So next one is print printer student. So next one I'm going to student. Okay. Next one I'm going to add a address here. I'm going to add a address here. Address equal to Mumbai. Okay. Added new value, new key and value. Okay. Printer student. So come here now. Print this. So what is the age you have declared here? 35. What is the year you declare here? What is the age you declare here? Modified or not? What is the what you have declared here? Name, age, and grade. And what you have here? Address. You have modified or not? Updated and you have modified, right? Newly added or not? Now, which one you want me to delete? From this, you have how many values? 4. Name one value, age one value, grade and address. What you want me to delete? You want me to delete the grade? Come here. Click on this. So now what you're supposed to do is tell student grade delete key and value pair printer student. Okay, my bad. Right, done. Okay, now come here. Are you able to see the grade here? No. Okay, next we are going to talk about the dictionary methods. So what is dictionary methods? Let's see here. Dict methods, DICT dict methods. So key equal to student dot keys. Get all the keys. Print keys. Print only keys. Okay, print only. If you go keys here, you need to go with the keys here. If you go with only key, you can also go with only key here. Okay. So next one, values equal to student dot values get all the values here. So print values. Okay. So next one item equal to student dot items or item, whatever it is. Let's go with the items. Get all the key value pairs. Print items. First one, it is only going to print the keys. What are the keys? Name is the key, age is the key, address is the key. Next one, what are the values? Madhu is the value, 33 is the value, Mumbai is the value. Next, it is going to print item, students item. It is going to print name and value, both key and values. Okay, come here. Come down. Dict keys, name, age, and then values. Dict values, Madhu 33, Mumbai is the values. Dict items, name Madhu is 1, age 33 is 1, address and Mumbai is 1. Clear? So next we are going to talk about the one more concept called shallow copy. What is that? Copy. So come here once. What is copy? Okay, stu student underscore copy equal to student underscore copy equal to student. Okay, print student. Okay, and then print student copy. Okay, okay, same. It's same both the print student or print student is going to print the same values because 1 equal to 1. I'm saying that student copy is equal to students. What you give the students? Name, age, grade. So print students. Even you are saying the print student copy, it is going to print the same values. Same values or not? Even for student copy, it is same value. Even for student also, it is same value. So next we are going to talk about the one more concept. So come here. So student name equal to when print student so print student copy student underscore copy. Please observe now here name is Venna. So now what I'm going to do is, so click here. You have got Madhu or Venna. So change or not. So what I change here, I change the Madhu. Even for Madhu student copy it is changed, and for student also it is changed. This is how we can copy. So next we are going to see the one more concept. Okay. So one more concept, same concept. So fine. So modifying is done. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about the iterating over dictionaries. You can use loop to iterate over dictionaries, key value or items. So now what I'm going to see is iterating over DICT. Okay. You can use loops to iterate over DICT, comma, keys, comma, values, comma, items. Iterating over keys. So for keys, keys in students, K for keys in student dot keys print keys. What are the keys it is going to print? Name is the key, age is the key, and then address is the key. So come here. For keys in student dot keys, it is going to print only the keys, not in a this format it is going to print. Okay, for keys in student. No, keys. Sorry. Yes, now it is going to print. Come down. You got name, age, and address. Yes or no? The same thing. Now we are going to use the iterative over values. Okay, I don't want to change this. I'm going to change only one value here. Keys dot instead of student dot VALUES values. So print VALUES values. So now come here. You print the dict values or not? Yes or no? Yes. So for value, I have say only keys, but you need to go with the value, value. Okay, so let's go with the value in. For value in value only, not values, value. You got? Yes or no? So next we are going to talk about iterating over key value pair. Now upper you have iterating over dictor. Now we are going to iterating over values is done. Now we are going to see iterating over key value pair. Iterating over key value pair. So let's see this. Iterate over key value pairs. For key, comma, value in student dot items. Done. Sir, for key value in student item, print F key value. Key is Madhu, name is key is name, key is name, value is Madhu. So it is going to print here. Name is Madhu, age is 33, address is Mumbai. So because grade we have deleted. Now we are going to talk about the nested directories. Nested directories. So how to use the nested directories here? Nested dict. So nested dict, NESTD, nested dict. So how to use nested STUD and the students equal to, okay. So come here, student one. So come here, name, KRISH, Krish. Name is Krish. Let's take with the Krish. And then age is 32. This is one student name. This is one student. So next one is student 2 name. Student 2. Name is name Peter. Let's go with the Madhu. Name is Madhu here. Name is Madhu. Okay. Comma. Name is Madhu. Comma. Age is 45. Age is 45. So why it is student T and the student 1, student 2? Age. Why we got this? Why we got this? अरे ఎందుకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది? Student 1, student 2. Fine. Why we are getting student 1 LCD and the student 1 name, okay. Student 2 name, okay. Age is also okay. Fine. So next we are going to print the student. Next we are going to print the students. So come here. Enter. Print students. Because I have mentioned the students here. But why here student 2
నెస్టెడ్ డిక్షనరీ ఒక కీ పేరులో మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక డిక్షనరీ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా. ఇక్కడ ఒకే డిక్షనరీలో మనము
ఒకటే కాదండి, 2 డిక్షనరీస్ ఉన్నాయి. స్టూడెంట్ 1 is 1 dictionary, student 2 is 2 dictionary. Try to understand. Student 1 is 1 dictionary, student 2 is 2 dictionary. Under students I am going to get how many dictionaries? 2 dictionaries. That we call it as a nested dictionary. So it is, see, students is a dictionary or not? In that dictionary, one dictionary is a student 1 dictionary is a name Krishna and age is 32. Student 2 dictionary is a name Madhu and age is 45. Example.
then you need to separate it by a comma, right? So 32 పక్కన బ్రేస్ దగ్గర కామా పెట్టాలి కదా.
Yes, I forgot. Yeah. Okay. So it's my bad. Now you are able to see this. Yes. Student 1 and then student 2. Now I'm going to access the nested directories elements. Access the nested directory. How to access the nested directory elements? Access nested dictor elements. How to access this? So print student 2 name, and then just close this. Print copy this part, copy enter the thing, and then just Control V. So here student 2 age or age student 1. What is the age of student 1? What is the name of student 2? Madhu. So come here. Now come here. Students dot item. What is item? Students dot item. What is item here? What is items here? So it is going to dict items. Student 1 name and then student age. Student 2 name and age. It is going to print. Come here. Dict items. Student 1 is name is Krishna, age is 32. Student 2 name is Madhu, age is this. Iterating over nested dictionaries. Iterating over nested dictionaries. How to do the iterating over nested dictionaries? Come here. So to do the iterating over nested dictionaries, iterating over nested dict. So how to do this? For students, for student underscore ID, comma, student underscore info in student underscore items, students underscore items, print f student underscore ID for key, comma, value in student info dot items,
students
item, print f keys. F is nothing but the key. So how to do this? In the flower bracket, key, colon, open the flower bracket in this value, key and value. Okay. So now what it's going to print? Student 1, what is the student 1? Student 1, what is the student 1? Student 1 name is something and then age is something. Okay, it is going to print the name and age again. Okay, so first it is going to print the with this print it is going to print the student ID and student info. Okay, student ID, student info is name is the and then age is these two things it is going to print. So come here once. Student ID with this print it is going to print the student ID, student 1 name Krishna, age is 32 and with his key value. Key is the name, value is the Krishna. Key is the age, value is the Krishna. So second again, iterating over nested directories. Student 2 name is Madhu, age is 45. Again for the printf value, key colon value. Key is name, Madhu is the value. Key is the age, Madhu is the key is the age, value is the 45. So why you are got two prints? One print is from the second line, one print is from the fourth line. This is the reason why you got these values. Okay. So next we are going to do dict comparison. Dict comparison. So how to do the dict comparison? Come here. So SQUARS squares equal to okay x colon x power of 2 for x in range 5 x in range 5 1 square. So let's start with the 0. So what is the 0 square? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 16. So now what you're supposed to do is so print print squares. So come down. 1 square, 0 square, 0. Range start with 0 or not? So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay. Now condition dictor comparison. Okay. Come here. Now events. What is that? Events equal to copy this. How we figure it a event? Sorry. Control C. Condition dict. Okay. In condition dict, so events equal to 1 second. Events equal to okay. In ranges, I'm going with the 10. What do you mean by 10 range? What do you mean by even? If x is divided by 2 is equal to 0, then it is even or odd. Okay, then now come here. Events. Okay. So what is the even number? 2 is the even. 2 squares. 4 square. Okay. Then 6 square. And then 8 square. Yes. Okay. When you take the range, you will get 9 numbers or 10 numbers. Only 9 numbers. 0 to 9 numbers. Let print this. 0, 0, 2 square, 4, 4 square, 16, 6 square, 36, 8 square. So now we are going to talk about the practical example to count the frequency of element in a list. So I'm going to do multiple times numbers. It is going to count the how many ones is repeated, how many twos are repeated, how many threes are repeated. Those things it is going to bring. So the real time example here, So here we are going to talk about the Practical example, use a dict to counter the frequency of elements in list. Elements in list. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. So, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5. Okay. So how many ones are there? How many twos are there? How many threes are there? How many fours are there? How many fives are there? Okay. One, frequency. Okay. Frequency equal to bracket. Then next for number in numbers. If number in frequency, number in frequency. So frequency num number plus equal to 1, else frequency number equal to 1. Okay. Next print print the frequency. Okay. What is the meaning of this? I'll clearly tell you. So what you are going to find the frequencies of how many times it is repeated. So for number in numbers, if number in frequency is number plus 1, 2, 3, 4, print the frequency. How many times it is repeated? You need to print those many times. Come here. So come down. You are able to see how many ones here? 1 is 1 time, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 3 times, 4 is 4 times, 5 is 3 times. So now last merging 2 dictionary into 1. So how to merge the 2 dictionary into 1? Come down. Okay. So come here once. Last and final one. How to merge this? Merge 2 dict into 1. How to merge? So DICT dict equal to 1 equal to dict 1 equal to dictionary 1 equal to dictionary symbol A value is Madhu, comma, and then B value is 90143 94743. Okay. Next to dict 2, dict 2 equal to, so what I'm going with, NA dict 2 equal to A equal to A, and then name is Shankar, okay, comma, B 90143 89743. Okay. Now MERG merged dict equal to, open the flower bracket, star star dict dict1 star comma star dict2 and then print the mer merged dict. Okay, so it is going to print the how it is going to print. A is Madhu, B is this, and I can go with the comma. Come here, I can go with the C value here. Okay, or I can go with the A, B, C, D value here. Or let's go with the C value, and then let's go with the D value here. Let's see this. So A Madhu, B is number, C is Shankar, D is number. So come here, measure, or you are going to get a single or not. A Madhu, B is the phone number, C is Shankar, and D is the phone number or not? Yes or no? Measured or not? You got a 2 dictionaries into 1 dictionary or not? So, dict1, comma, you are going to merge it as a 1 dict. So, print the merged dict here. To merge, you need to go with the star here. Okay. So, now next we are going to talk about the next concept. We are going to talk about the. Do I started recording? Fine. So, next one you are going to talk about the file handling. What is this? File handling. So, come here. So, how to handle the file? How to handle the file? So, come here. To handle the file, to handle any kind of files, we use read a whole file. Okay. So, we are going to talk about the file operations. So, next concept we are going to talk about a file operation. File operation. Similar to cat and vi. Similar to cat and vi. Read and write files. Okay. File handling is crucial part of any language. Python provides built-in functions and methods to read and write to from and read from and write to files. Read from and write to files. Both text and binary. Okay. So we are going to cover the file handling including reading and writing on normal files and binary files. Okay. First of all, let us go and talk how to handle this from the VS Code editor. So come here. So evening, please call me. Class this is very important. Okay. So go to my file. Go to open the folder here. Open the folder. So click on desktop. So click on the Terra Pro. Okay. Open any folder here. Once you open the folder, so you supposed to go with the name called. Come here. So file handling .ipynb Jupyter notebook. So whenever you say ipynb and say enter here, you are able to see the close this. Okay, code generate, it detect in the kernel, code generate. Okay, so you are able to see this or not? Okay, so I'm going to write a small text file here. vmr.txt. First, I'm going to open the vmr.txt. Once I open the vmr.txt, I'm going to write the hello all. How are you doing? Hope you are fine. Okay, whatever it is. So I'm going to save this first of all. I'm going to come here, save. Okay. Now where is my file? So this is my file. Now what I supposed to do is, okay, with open. What is the file name is? vmr.txt. You want to write or read? First of all, we need supposed to read the file. So R stands for read the file. R stands for read the file. So comma as file as file file. Okay. Content equal to file read or write? File read. So print content, print content. Let's try this. So Python environments. So I will go with this. So it is opening. Wait for some time. Let's see this. Whether you are going to read the content from the file or not. So come here. So click on this. Once again, click on this. Hold on. Don't worry about that.
Sir, OPNE file sir. Wrong
Wait, once again. What is this? What is my file name? vmr.txt. Correct కదా ఉంది కదా ఎందుకు వస్తుంది built-in reader input output text IO wrapper object. It should come here. ఈ తర్వాత చూద్దాం నేను. సో నాకు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ప్లీజ్ ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మొత్తం పైథాన్లో ఆ వాటితో కలిపి ఫైల్ ఎలా రీడ్ చేయాలనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో వాట్ యూ డూ ఇస్ ఈవినింగ్ నేనైతే ఇన్స్టలేషన్ నేర్పిస్తాను. ఇన్స్టలేషన్ నేర్పించుకుంటే దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వెరీ ఈజీ. యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు లర్న్. ఓకే. సో విత్ దిస్ ఫైల్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ తెలిస్తే సో మనం కొంచెం ఈ పైథాన్ ని హోల్డ్ లో పెట్టి వీ కెన్ గో అండ్ స్టార్ట్ ద మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.